everyone, I'm Bella. Labor market has changed a lot in the past decade. It is predicted that employment conditions will change in the next decade as the development of modern technology. Today, I'm going to talk about human resource management, a position I'm interested about and is connected with my career plan. At this presentation, two workplace issues will be discussed in depth, and corresponding skills will be demonstrated by scan survey model. Then, career plan to shrink the gap between skills and knowledge will be analyzed. Finally, solutions in maintaining currency and relevancy will be recommended. The role I selected today is Human Resource Management, which is also called HRM professional. As career profiles mentioned, business management and administration is vital to success in competitive commercial environment across the world. The top managers of human resource management are usually titled as Director of HR, who has high compensation packages. As the growth of modern technology such as internet, social media, and digital technology, HR professionals have to be dynamic and fast learners. HR workers can develop their career paths in particular areas such as recruiting. The talent in this field mainly provide employment services to corporates and job hunters. To be specific, headhunters help candidates to find jobs and in return, finding their own values on this position. In the long run, temporary jobs are in high demand, followed by the demand in permanent and full-time positions. In that case, headhunters' role as an intermediary is getting more and more important. In the USA, despite of 521,000 employment service jobs lost since 2007, there are almost half of the job gained in 2010. The job growth reflected the importance of employment service in modern business environment. Workplace issue. There are two main issues at the workplace of human resource management. First, data processing of human resource management has changed HR professionals from traditional organizations supporting workers to modern technical talents. For example, the ability of using Excel formulas such as VLOOKUP is essential in performance management. In companies with large-scale VB programming capacity can also increase HR professionals' work efficiency and effectiveness. Moreover, Human Resource Information System, which is also called HRIS, is applied in many companies across the world. Normally, HRIS is used for attendance recording, employee information record, and leave approval. In Australia, HRIS can also provide a communication platform between managers and employees, such as grievance and training program. Therefore, computer skills in HRM is as important as that in IT and finance service industry. Second, interpersonal skill is an essential soft skill. Taking my experience as an example, as an HR assistant, managing staff locker room is one of my responsibility. I asked the engineering department to fix defect in the locker room, but engineers responded me that the cost of components should be counted in HR department. Then I went to accounting department and asked the purchasing officer to purchase the component as recording. But the response was that component was a gift from supplier when we buy a set of wardrobes during opening period. I searched online, but DHR said that the quotation was expensive. Though I did not solve the problem in the end, the issue taught me the importance of interpersonal skills. In this case, how to persuade engineers to help me fix the log and put it at the priority of his work list. How to persuade purchasing officer to help me find purchasing record 3 years before. How to persuade the HR to accept my quotation. All these purposes need interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills facilitate many tasks at the workplace. It does not only promote work efficiency and effectiveness, but build up personal reputation and credit. Scan survey is a good model to explain two skills. In scan survey, resources, interpersonal skills, information system, and technology are described as 5 skills of employability. Interpersonal means being able to work with others. Technology refers to the ability to working with different technology. In the case of HRM, interpersonal skills sometimes refer to problem solving and personal management. Technology requirements has changed HR professionals to technical talents to the future. Skills reflection. In terms of professional development, the gap between knowledge and skills does exist. What's learned in the university is methodology, while the practical experience is the only cherished skills. The best way for HR professionals to deal with the dilemma is that keeping themselves up to date about the government policy and digital technology with the real-world experience. The learning about interpersonal skills is case by case through communication with employees and companies. HR professionals can find the balance between two parties. Moreover, different companies has different HRIS. Most HRIS is not pre-set up. As reflection of HR professionals, the communication with third-party IT support enable HR workers to accumulate related skills and fast. In my skill set, interpersonal skill needs to be improved with more HR-related experience. Although I have a master degree of HRM, lacking of local HR work experience has blocked my application of job. Aussie culture is different from Chinese one, which is another obstacle to practice my interpersonal skills. Due to only half a year of work experience, my technology skills is limited to school knowledge. The recommendation of improving interpersonal skills and technology skills are as follows. Finding a Chinese-owned HR position in Australia is the first step. On this position, my technology and interpersonal skills will be practiced case by case. The company can be small scale, but more than 5 employees. The established time should not be less than 3 years, meaning that the company is formal with standard workflow. After 2 to 3 years work, I will change to a local company with good reputation in the industry. In that position, my communication skills can be practiced under local culture. Moreover, normally local companies' salary package is better than Chinese-owned ones. In conclusion, HR-related jobs is getting more and more essential as business management and employment service are in large demand at the labor market. Interpersonal skills and technology skills play an important role in HRM position. My gap between knowledge and skills is mainly due to lack of work experience. Based on the gap recognition, my long-term career plan is to find a company with same cultural background of my hometown. Then I will change to local company with formalized workflow and standardized training plan. Thank you. That's all.